Hey there, this is Ina and welcome to Cashew Academy. Video content is the best way to make a prospect become a client. This is because videos are the most engaging type of content out there and people love watching videos. In today's video, I'll talk about how to create an effective video marketing funnel for your business. You'll learn the best video types for each stage of the funnel, how to use videos to get more prospects and leads, and where to place your videos for maximum results. In the past 6 years, we've helped clients gain massive awareness with videos that get over 1 million views and improve conversion rate by 40%. Everything you hear in this video is based on years of experience and working with more than 1,000 clients worldwide, including Vodafone and Yale. So let's get started. What is a marketing funnel? Well, a marketing funnel essentially describes your customer's journey. It is the roadmap that your leads go through to become your clients. If you have done your marketing funnel right, you'll be able to influence your leads, drive greater sales, and increase customer loyalty. Just like funnels are wide at the top but narrow at the bottom, companies typically get a lot of leads that pour into the funnel, but not as many of them come out at the other end. If you understand your audience well, you know how to influence their decisions and improve your close rate. This is why marketing funnels are essential for every business. People in general tend to follow a similar decision-making process, but of course, every company has its own process and should have its own funnel. Generally speaking, there are 4 stages of the marketing funnel. Awareness. This is when your prospects become aware of your company and what you do. Consideration. Your prospects start to consider whether or not to work with you. Conversion. The prospect decides to work with you and you close the sale. Loyalty. You build trust and they become your advocates, referring you to more buyers. Okay, you might be asking, why use video? A video is worth millions of words. You can get so much more with video compared to using still images for marketing purposes. The short answer is that videos are more engaging, they drive better results, and as you can see from the graphic, videos on Facebook get 59% more clicks than other types of content, and this is on Facebook alone. That being said, let's see how you can create a video for every stage of your marketing funnel, starting with stage 1, awareness. These types of videos are designed to introduce your company to a prospect. This is top of the funnel marketing. The goal of these videos is to create a stellar first impression and position you as a trustworthy business that solves a specific problem for your customers. Remember, this is the first time a prospect would interact with your brand, and your number one priority is to turn this stranger into a buyer. How to do that? Be helpful and provide educational content. Don't push for a sale. You want to make an excellent first impression, and we all know that proposing on the first date is not going to give you a yes. Make it simple for the prospect to understand what exactly it is that you do and how you can help them. Be genuine. Don't talk about the specs of your products or sell anything. In this first stage of the marketing funnel, your video needs to give real value to someone, solve their problem, or at least make them aware of the problem they're facing. You need to establish yourself as a trustworthy business and make people excited. And here are the best video types for this stage of your funnel. Explainer videos. These videos simplify complex ideas and showcase your products and services. Educational videos. Videos that educate your prospect on a specific topic. Inspirational videos. Videos that inspire your audience and introduce your brand. For example, say that your business is a SaaS CRM. You might create an educational video on organizing your day, starting with the pain points that your customers are facing and then introducing the solution. Or an inspirational video that tells an engaging story. Here's a good example of a brand awareness video.
Remember trading cards as kids? We didn't simply exchange things. We swapped stories that brought us closer and made us feel like we belonged. Technology gives us a new way to connect through collecting with Swap Kiwi.
It is inspirational, nostalgic, and leaves a good first impression. But remember that the reason we came up with this story is that we knew that the target audience would relate to it. So always keep your target in mind to ensure your video engages them. Now that you know the type of videos you can create to build awareness, let's see how you can use them for maximum results. For top-of-funnel marketing videos, we would recommend using social media, either organically if you already have a good following or using ads. You can also use them on your landing page or email newsletters. Remember that when you create an ad on social media, you need to build a good landing page that would potentially convert this traffic into paying customers. Now that your prospects are aware of their problem and how your company can solve it for them, it is time to move them down the funnel. When you get familiar with a company, it is unlikely you buy their products right away. Say that you're shopping for Christmas presents. You want to take your time to browse different options until you find the right one for you. And this is what your customers are doing as well. They're contacting your competitors, getting price quotes, reading articles, and trying to make the best decision. And your goal is to position yourself as the obvious choice. This is where consideration videos come in. The goal of these videos is to introduce your products and the benefits of using them. Here's how to do that. Introduce your solution. Combine your solution with the pain points your customers face. Then introduce your products and the benefits they have for your target. Don't be salesy. Don't push for a sale. Be genuine. Be practical. Show them how you can solve their problem and display social proof. Be sure to track the performance of your videos constantly. A good metric you can watch for is the watch time. If your audience watches your video until the end and the video engagement is good, then this means your content is valuable for them and they're likely to move down the funnel. For the second stage of the marketing funnel, you might want to consider using these types of videos. Product demos, videos that showcase how your products can help them. Testimonials from past clients who found your product or service helpful. Case study videos showing your formula of success. Here's a good example of mid-funnel video that got our client great results.
Design. Netbrema Studios. We bring 11 plus years in experience across 200 plus clients that has impacted 250 plus million real users. We combine strategy and design thinking to provide your users a seamless experience.
See, at this mid-stage of the funnel, our goal is to establish trust, show previous work and the results, so your clients can position you as the expert and choose to work with you instead of your competitors. Great, so now how to use these videos in your marketing. One of the best ways that we found works for our clients is sending out the video to prospects via email. Once you get a prospect interested in working with you, you can share this video with them. These videos get a lot better open rates and you can save a ton of time writing emails. And on top of that, they're way more engaging. Your prospect would much rather see a 2-minute video than reading your 1,000-word email. You can also use this video on landing pages, but I would recommend you use it at the bottom of the page instead, or even better, on your product pages. You don't want to put it on the top of the page. This spot should be reserved for your awareness video. So now that your prospects know your company, your products, and how you can help them, they are at the decision-making stage, and this is great. Now it's time to actually make the sale. Before they make their decision though, they would likely have concerns. So here's how to close the sale with a video. Overcome their objections. If we go back to our CRM example, your prospect might have concerns around pricing or how your software can connect with the systems they're using currently. Show them how that can be done and answer the concern before they even ask about it. Don't be too pushy. Be careful. You don't want to overwhelm the prospect with 5 different price packages or too much sales information that would push people away rather than making them become your clients. And once you create your video, again, keep the metrics in mind. What makes people take the next step? Does your video convert them into clients? What are the questions they are asking you before they buy? Here are the best ways to use your marketing video. Before-after videos. These videos work great in some industries, like the design industry, for example. Show your prospects what you can do for them and the end result. Webinars. Again, great videos that you can share on your website and engage your viewers. FAQ videos. These are one of the best ways to address any concerns your prospects have. Here's a good example of a video that is designed for the bottom stages of the funnel.
The abs are one of the most difficult places to burn fat. With Vita 180, however, you can lose 2 to 3 pounds per week.
We provide a clear idea of what the customers can expect after choosing Vita and convince them to move forward and become their clients. Great! Now let's see where to place these videos for maximum results. Since these videos aim to make a sale, I wouldn't recommend you place them on top of your landing page. Instead, send them as email or include them in your sales presentation. Great, you have made the sale and this is perfect. But wouldn't it be awesome if you can turn a happy client into a salesperson for free? Yes, this is what customer loyalty and advocacy is, and it is powerful. Give them helpful information. If you have a mail list, don't forget about your past clients. Send them helpful information monthly so they don't forget about you too. Give them something of value. Thank them for becoming your clients and give them something of value for free. Remember that this is where most companies fail and they're missing a lot. This is what can help you scale up fast. And if you're happy with the service you receive, how likely are you to recommend it to someone else? Well, make it an easy choice for them and they can potentially bring you a lot more business. You're probably wondering how you can do that with video. Well, here's how. Tips and tricks. You can create videos with useful tips and tricks related to your product or service that your customers didn't know about, but they find valuable. Customer support videos. Send out personal support videos to build better trust. Thank you videos, new feature or product videos. And here's where to place these marketing videos. Same as in stage 3, you want your clients to feel special. So use these videos in your newsletters or send out personalized emails. You can also include them on support pages or bottom of funnel landing pages. Use the tactics mentioned to create a powerful marketing funnel and turn more prospects into loyal customers. If you need help with that, you can download our free ebook on generating leads for SaaS companies, and the link is in the description. Remember to track the performance of your videos and do A/B tests to ensure your videos are driving the results you want. If you need any help with that, don't hesitate to drop us an email. Thank you for your time and see you next week.